Okay, children. So in the continuation of capital account that we have done for the fluctuating capital or fixed capital, now we are going to do the question number 8, which is regarding fixed capital. Okay. So fixed capital, as we all know that in fixed capital, we need to prepare two accounts. Which accounts? So capital account and current account. Okay. So children, in this question, this is the question number 8, that is Y and Z are partners with capital of 25,000 and 15,000. Is it so in your book? Okay. So Y and Z are partners with capital of 25,000 and 15,000 respectively on 1st April 2016. Each partner is entitled to 9% interest on his capital. Z is entitled to a salary of 6%, 6,000 per annum, together with a commission of 6% of net profit remaining after deducting interest on capital and salary and after charging commission. Okay, the profit for the year ended 31st March 2017 before making any of these mentioned adjustment, that is 30,800. Prepare partners capital account when capitals are fixed and when capitals are fluctuating. Both the conditions are given in this question. By doing this question, we'll come to know completely how to prepare in fixed capital account, how to prepare in fluctuating capital account. Okay, so let us start with the profit and loss appropriation account that we need to prepare in this question. So start preparing profit and loss appropriation. First, we need to take out the interest on capital. Then we have to write the salary and commission also. Okay, start preparing, children. Okay. So children, if the meeting disconnected, you have to rejoin with the same ID. Okay. So first of all, what we need to write? We need to write profit and loss. Profit is given in your question. So buy profit and loss account, P profit. Okay. How much it is given? It is given 30,800. Okay, 30,800. Now, 30,800. Now, we have to calculate the interest on capital as well. So, interest on capital on 25,000 and 15,000. We need to take out interest is we need to calculate of 9%. 9% interest on capital of 25,000 and 15,000. Okay, so interest on capital for A and B. 9% interest on capital we need to calculate, that will get 2,250 and 1,350. Okay. See here. What we have to do now, what we have to give this salary to Z, because Z is entitled to have a salary of 6,000 per annum. Per annum it is written, so directly 6,000 will write to salary. To whom? Z. To Z. How much? 6,000. Okay, that we need to write. Afterward, we have to calculate the commission. Okay, commission which, to whom we have to give commission? To Z. Z is entitled to have a salary as well as commission of 6%. Net profit after deducting interest and capital and salary. Yani ki this 30,800, from this 30,800, what we need to do? We need to deduct this interest on capital and this salary also. Okay, so after deducting this interest on capital 3,600 and this salary 6,000, what we'll get? Come on, calculate it fast. From this 30,800, we need to deduct this 3,600 and this 6,000. What we'll get? We'll get 21,200. We will get 21,200. Okay, and on this 21,200, we need to calculate commission, that is 6%. 6%, how much? 100 or 106? Because it is given after charging. So 106. 106. And then we will get how much? 1200. Get 1200. Okay. So the commission of Z to commission Z. Z, that is to commission on Z is 1200. Okay. Now you need to take out the balance. And one thing you have to learn in your mind, if you are preparing it for fixed capital accounts, then at the place of capital account, what you have to write? You have to write partner's current account. Okay. So here you will write to profit transferred to partner's current account. Okay. That is A. Sorry. Here we need to write X and Z. Y and Z. Y and Z. Okay. For Y and Z. Okay. Now take out the balance. Take out the balance. The balance will be 20,000. The balance will be of 20,000 and that will be distributed among them equally because nothing is mentioned about the ratio of profit sharing. So we will distribute among the partners equally. Okay, so 10,000 for Y and 10,000 for Z. Come on. Children, do it fast. So children, in the continuation of the previous question, that was question number 8. Okay. We have prepared profit and loss appropriation, we have completed and we have taken out the profit also and distributed among the partners also. Now what we have to do? We have to prepare the partners capital account, right? We have to prepare the partners capital account according to fluctuating capital and with the fixed capital also. So first of all, when the capitals will be fixed, then how we will prepare the capital account? हम ये मान के चलेंगे, we will assume that the capitals are fixed in this question. Okay, the 25,000 and 15,000 the capital is given, that is fixed in nature. Okay, so when the capitals are fixed, what we used to do? We used to prepare the capital account and current account. Okay, what we have to prepare in capital account of partners? We need to credit the opening balance of capital, opening balance, and if any additional capital or further capital is being introduced, that we have to credit it. Okay, and in debit side, the drawing against capital. If the drawing has been made against capital, that we have to debit in the capital account. So let us start with preparing the capital account with fixed capital of account. So here you have to write partners capital account. Okay, partners capital account, and for partners capital account, partners are Y and Z. So particular, inside you will put the heading that when the capitals are fixed. Okay, particular Y, Z, again particular Y and Z. Okay. Now, what do you have to write first in capital account? We have to credit the opening balance, and the opening balance, opening capital is given 25,000 and 15,000. So Y's capital is, here we will write by balance product. Okay. How much? 25,000 and 15,000. 15,000. Okay. 25,000 and 15,000. And what the things are given? Interest on capital, salary, commission. These things where we have to write it in current account. So there is no matter to write here. Okay. So any additional capital is given? No. Any drawing against capital is given here? No. So what we have to write? We have to close the balance. Okay. So 25,000, 15,000. Okay, and then we'll take out the closing balance. So to balance carried down, that is 25,000 and 15,000. Okay, so in this way we used to prepare the partner's capital account. If any additional capital would have given, okay, then when what we have to write, we have to credit it in the partner's capital account. If any drawing against capital is given, then we have to debit it in the partner's capital account. Okay, and then we have to take out the balance. Here nothing is given, so we have just credited the balance. That is opening balance. See, here you have to write the opening balance. And this is what? This is closing balance. Okay. Now come on, quickly do this and then we will begin with the current account. Okay, do it. So children, now after preparing this capital account, what we need to prepare? We need to prepare the current account. Okay, so we need to prepare the current account. So let us start with preparing current account. So after preparing fixed capital account, we are going to prepare the partner's current account. Okay, so what we have learned in partner's current account? In partner's current account, whatever the current opening balance will be there, that will be credited to partner's current account. And whatever the distributions are there for the partners, okay, like interest on capital, like commission, salary, and the profit or profit and loss appropriation, that we need to credit in the partner's current account. Okay, and the another things which we have to debit here in current account, what? That the drawings against profit. Okay, the drawings against profit. So here what we are having, we don't have the current opening balance account. So we will start with the interest on capital which we have calculated. Okay. So by interest on capital, that interest on capital is 2250 and 2250 and 1350. Okay, and afterward what we have to do, we have to give this salary, and salary is given to Z. So by salary, the salary is for Z, that is 6,000. So we will write here 6,000. Now commission is also for Z. So by commission, how much commission is given? The commission is 1,200. Okay. So 1,200. And what was the profit of P&L appropriation? That profit, the profit was P&L appropriation was 10,000 and 10,000 for both. So by profit and loss appropriation, kitna? 10,000 and 10,000. Okay. Drawing is not given in this question, so it will not be debited. Nothing is given about drawings. So drawing will not be recorded. Now what we need to do, we need to take out, we need to do the total and we will debit the balance, whatever we will get after calculating Y's current account and Z's current account. Come on, quickly do that. The total of Y is 12,250 and the total of Z is 18,550. Then it will be, the balance will be 10. To balance PD, that is 12,250 and 18,550. So in this way, we will prepare the partner's current account. Okay, do that fast. So children, now what we are going to do, we are going to prepare the partner's capital account by assuming this, that when the capitals are fluctuating. Here we have done the by assuming that the capitals are fixed. Now we are going to prepare the partner's capital account by assuming that the capitals are fluctuating. And when the capitals are fluctuating, what we have to do? Anybody can tell me what we have to do? We have to prepare only one account instead of two, that is capital and current, only partners capital account. Okay, so now we will start with partners capital account. Okay, so what we have to do when we are preparing partners capital account, by assuming that the capitals are fluctuating, so all the things which we record in partners capital and current both, that will be merged together and all the things will be recorded in one account only, that is partners capital account. Okay, okay, so we will start with capital account. The balance of capital which is given, that is 25,000 and 15,000. So we'll write here the by balance brought down, that is 25,000 and 25,000 and 33,000, sorry, 15,000. 15,000 capital of Z and Y's capital is 25,000. Now what we need to record? We need to record the interest on capital, the salary and the commission which we have calculated while preparing profit and loss appropriation. So by interest on capital, by commission, sorry, salary, first we record salary, and by commission. Okay. Interest on capital we have calculated 2250 and 1350. So 2250 and 1350. Okay. Salary is given to Z is 6,000. And commission is given to Z is 1200. So 1200 will be recorded. What will be the profit and loss appropriation? That is 10,000 and 10,000 by profit and loss appropriation 10,000 and 10,000. Okay. So that we need to record, and after recording, now what we have to do? Drawing is not given, that we so that we can record here in debit side of partners capital account. So if drawing is not there, then we need not to record anything. Then we just take out the balance and we will transfer the balance in the debit side. Okay, so we will do the total, and after doing the total, what we will get for y, that will get 37,250. 37,250 and 33,550. Then we will transfer it in a balance to balance carried down. Okay, 37,250. 33,550. Okay, so children, in this way we need to prepare our partners capital account when the capitals are fluctuating. Okay, thank you beta. Now you need to copy for fast, copy it. Thank you.